everybody, my name is Hue. Today we're going about to make a model of erosion. You know what is erosion, right? Erosion is a kind of a weather. It will mix up floods. It will wash everything out, washing dirt, sand, rock, many. But today we're not making the erosion, making the road broken. We make a small erosion right here. I don't have things to make, so we can pretend it. What we need is water, a cup, a paper cup, and at the bottom of a paper cup, it has some holes. Okay? Water, a poked cup, a pan not for cooking, a pan. This is a kind of pan used to hold things. Okay? And we also use a pile of mud, some rocks, and some sand. Okay? And now let's make it. Let's put sand in one corner of the pan, then put mud next to the sand, and put some rocks next to the mud. Okay? Then the first of the erosion is wind. Erosion have wind, right? So we need a paper and a pencil to draw our tables on to see how the sand, when we blow, the sand will be go somewhere. So we need to see how the sand long when we blow it. Okay? First is blowing. But before you blow, quickly draw the table. The table is a rectangle shape. Okay? Draw a line on here. Then 3 lines. Now 2 lines on here. Then the small squares are here. You will write sand, mud, and rocks. And we will have a cross. A straight line from up to down. Then at here we will have wind. At here we will have water for our table. Okay? Now let's make it. First, blowing the sand. I'll blow the sand. Then some of the sand will blow out of the pile. Then they blow to the side of the other side of the pan or somewhere else. Okay? But you must wear the safety goggles because when we're blowing the sand might be blown right into our eyes. It will be hurt, right? we blow it. After we blow a little bit, we will measure how long is it. And I have measured it, and it's 12 inches. How about you? How long? Okay? And now I'll blow at mud as hard as it can, but the mud doesn't move, and the rock either. So put in the table. The sand we will write at the wind pile. We will write the sand is 12 inches. As at you, how does it long? Like 10 inches? 5 inches? 6 inches? 12? More than 12 or under 12? So how does it long? You could write in your table. And mud, we will write doesn't move because it doesn't move any. And rocks either. Okay, now to the water bit. That's why I told you to bring up some water and the cup with poked holes at the bottom. Okay, now put the cup above the sand, and we will pour some water in the cup. Pour it in, and the water will go down onto the sand and wash the sand away. Now the sand don't look many sand anymore. Now it just looks flatter because the water has washed the sand away. Now add the mud, the same water as the sand. Pour it in. When we doesn't seem like the mud is moved, but some of the mud has moved and has washed off. Now the right do as the rock. Pour it in. Up. Move nothing. Okay, let's put into our table. Sand, we will write erosion most. And the mud, we write erosed some. And the rock, we will write didn't move again because the water are not strong for the rock. But that's just a model. And the real, but erosion can even wash away the rocks. Well, and at this model erosion, I think the rocks are the strongest, and the sand is not strong. Well, and not strong, it weak. It was the weakness. And the mud just moved a little bit. So it was strong because it doesn't move very much, and it's kind of weak because it has erosion. Okay, now you know it. If you wanted to add some comment, if you had some questions, add in the comment. And now, bye-bye. See you later. No, see you next time.